Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate the StarPage homepage. So first go ahead and open up StarPage on your browser. Now once you're on the homepage, you will see a clean layout with a sidebar menu on the left. Let's go over and see what each of the sections do. So old website, this will take you to the older version of StarPage if you prefer the old layout. And market, this is where you will find available pets for trade or sale. You can browse by name, price, or rarity. The items section, this tab shows tradable items other than pets like eggs or exclusive stuff. And the sales section, this one is for special deals and discounted pets or items. Always worth checking it out. And the R section, if you want to top up Robux or convert currency, this section handles all that. And we have the help section. This is where you go if you need support or want to contact the support team. Now up the top you got your balance, language, and your profile icon. Click the profile and here's what you get. Profile, if you want to check your account details. History, if you want to view both past trades or purchases. And cash out to withdraw your balance. Wheel of Fortune, spin for rewards. Promo codes, enter codes for bonuses. Change password and logout to, this is the basic accounts I think. And that's it guys. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.